Alright guys, so I can't stay away. I had to come up here and take a look at her up at the vault. She's just sitting up here waiting to get painted. I think I'm gonna take that cap off and I don't know, little stuff I can, I'm still moving around, guys. It's been a week now that I've been off of work, and my shoulder is still popping, but it's not hurting as much for me not, and I'm only getting like 5 hours of sleep. Now I wake up for 2-3 hours and I go back to sleep. So it's getting rested, guys. So I'm feeling a little better, operation on the 25th of June here. So I'm not ready for that, but if it's gonna get me back to where I need to be, gotta do it, guys. But yeah, just coming in, just a little update, guys, on where I'm at on this build. But should be painted by now, guys. But life happens, guys. All right, guys. Hey, like, share, subscribe. All things Buick, guys. All right.